Welcome to Bobo's River Ride. Today, Bobo will explore life along the river. Bobo packs his gear, ready to float downstream. Bobo begins his river adventure. Ducks paddle together across the river. Swans have long necks and glide smoothly. Frogs can hop on land and swim in water. Tadpoles grow into frogs. Beavers build dams with sticks and mud. Otters love to swim and play. Fish live and breathe underwater. Minnows are tiny fish that travel in groups. Turtles have shells to keep them safe. Herons wait patiently to catch fish. Kingfishers dive fast to grab fish. Dragonflies skim over water with shiny wings. Crocodiles wait quietly near the water. Some snakes can swim across rivers. Snails carry their homes on their backs. Crayfish look like tiny lobsters. Raccoons use their hands to grab food. Muskrats build lodges from plants. Cormorants dive deep for fish. Frogs call out to talk to each other. Swallows eat bugs as they fly. Geese travel together in flocks. Cattails grow in wetlands along rivers. Willow trees bend and grow near rivers. Moss grows well in damp places. Water lilies float with flowers on top. Reeds provide homes for birds and insects. Tree roots help stop soil from washing away. Rivers polish rocks smooth over time. Rapids are fast-moving river water. Some rivers move gently like this one. Waterfalls crash down with power and sound. Rivers begin as streams in the mountains. Grasses grow thick along riversides. Algae is tiny plant life that grows in water. Rivers shape sandbanks for animals to use. Rivers shine like mirrors at sunset. Birdsong fills the air at sunrise. Frogs sing to each other in the night. Insects make a humming chorus. Rapids make loud splashing sounds. Fireflies blink like little lights. Some fish jump high above the river. Raindrops make ripples when they fall. Thunder rumbles across the sky. Beavers slap tails to warn of danger. Otters chirp and squeak while they play. Geese honk as they travel together. Crocodiles make big splashes as they move. Turtles dive with little splashes. Crickets sing when the sun goes down. Owls hoot in the night near rivers. Bats squeak as they catch insects. Frogs sing louder after rain. Roosters crow to welcome the sun. The river glows golden at sunset. Ducks swim as families. Swans glide smoothly on the water. Frogs live on land and water. Turtles need sun to stay warm. Fish swim quickly together for safety. Beavers build lodges with wood. Otters are playful swimmers. Fireflies glow to find each other. Owls are night hunters. Raccoons use their hands like tools. Geese rotate leadership so none become exhausted. Bobo keeps treasures from his river journey. Bobo falls asleep, dreaming of the river's wonders. For more videos, remember to like and subscribe.